Hi, I came to this program really stressed out and angry and all kinds of emotions. Look at me now. I'm Chan and I'm from Singapore, and I will encourage everyone to attend this program because it's fantastic. I have been meditating for the past 15 years and looking, searching, going from master to master. But this is the right place to be to get the gist of it. So if you start from the basic, right, you just attend that one day course, you'll get so much information that you will not hesitate to go on to the second program, which is this Awaken the Divine You program. In this course, I've learned not only mentally how to balance myself, also physically. I didn't know that I could actually open my heart and that lava could flow out of my heart and I could, pass this love on to everyone, knowingly and unknowingly. It's unconditional love. Now, when I go back to society, back to my normal day-to-day life, 100% I can apply whatever techniques that I've learned in this course. Umesh is a wonderful, wonderful instructor. He just answers every question and makes you feel so comfortable. And the center here is just fantastic. The moment I walked in here, I felt the energy. I've been meditating for so many years. My energy was like just a little bit. When I walked in here, I could just feel it. So it's like a group energy, and